parents must understand that what their children become is dependent on the kind of training they have received. Yes. As a parent, are you able to do all your house chores? Now? Yes. Who taught you? Your parents, right? Or your guardian. Okay? And now you're able to do everything easily. Okay? So, what is preventing you from doing same for your children? Hmm? What's preventing you, dear? So you also have to start. Let's, let our children start doing house chores as early as possible. Yes. Welcome to my channel again, Janet OBB. All viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you. Do you know something? Let me start this by telling you this story, okay? My husband and I started introduce the children to do some house chores when they were young, okay? They are still young though. Like, we started with them early. And at first, within a day, they could change their attire. I mean, about three times, twice, or thrice a day. One can wet his or her attire and then go and change it. So when we started the house chores with them, washing, okay, when we started with them, and now they are able to do it on their own. They even want to repeat attire because they don't want the attire to basket to be full. Okay, they want to even repeat attire, and we said no, you can't repeat attire. You can't wear it today and wear it tomorrow. Never. Have you seen? Because now they are more responsible. They know how to change their attire. Can you imagine this? So, do you know what we are supposed to do? The parents, let's start doing the chores with them bit by bit till they are able to do it on their own. They will do it. And then let's give them age appropriate house chores. Yes, you should consider their ages. Okay, okay. So know what to do, what kind of chores you give it to a 5-year-old child, 6-year-old child, 7 year old, then or 10-year-old child. Okay, so let's involve them. It's better we start it as early as possible. Otherwise, when we allow them to grow to their teenage ages, they they will become too lazy to start. Yes. Let's introduce it to them. Let your 5-year-old boy, 5-year-old girl do what? Wash his or her own socks or handkerchief. As you are doing, let them come, let them join you. Then you do it together. Uh, since I'm talking about washing, let's do this thing about. Let's talk about washing machine. It's good to use washing machine, but let me tell you, let's do this strategy. It will work. Okay, don't wash all your things, or don't wash all their things in the washing machine. Okay, leave some for them to wash it with their hands, because in Africa it's not everywhere that you are going to find washing machines. You are aware, we are all aware. They will go to the boarding houses, secondary school, senior high school, universities. Are they going to have access to the washing machine, even though some can afford? So, but majority cannot afford. So why don't you teach them how to use their hands to wash? The traditional way. So for instance, I don't do my underwears or our underwears in the washing machine. Leave that one and leave some of the attire for them to wash on their own. By so doing, they are learning how to cope wherever they go somewhere. They can do their own washing. Okay, so that's very good. The older children or all of them, have a family meeting with them and talk to them. Why is it so important to do house chores? Okay, let them know why they are doing it. It's not that you are punishing them. No, don't make it as if you are punishing them. No, okay, not at all. Don't make it as if you are punishing them. No, never. Okay, so let them learn that way. Okay, so let them start small, small sweeping. Okay, you sweep with them. I quite remember I used to sweep with them before all of them. I mean, we left them to do it on their own. But one thing is, when you allow them to do it together with you, some feel reluctant to do it. So you know what you, I mean, share them. Be clear about each other person's chores, weekly or daily. Be clear about it. Share them among them. If he or she knows what he's doing today, he or she will do it. Okay. And then one thing to uh outside the compound, always I used to call them, let's go and sweep outside. Okay. They didn't want to go, but you know what I did? Okay, today you are going with me. The following day you will be going with you. The following day, with that, they can even come and call you, mommy, let's go. It's time. Let's go and sweep outside. It's very, very, very important. So as I was saying, let them do their dishes. Yes, assist them. Later on, they will be able to do it by themselves. Mopping, uh, cleaning the dining table. I mean, tidying up, cleaning. Okay, let them learn how to do. Also, as they grow up, then they will learn to do. I mean, the bigger ones and the tedious ones as well. But be careful the kind of chores you give to them. Otherwise, it can be too dangerous for them too, or too boring. Imagine a 10-year-old boy or girl doing arranging toys. No, no, no. Leave that one to the 2 year and then 3 years, 4 years. Okay, leave it to them to do it. And then one thing too is, please don't say this chores is for girls or this one is for boys. No. In my house, that was how my mom trained us. Okay, my mom and dad trained us. There's nothing like a boy shouldn't come to the kitchen. No, a boy can cook. A boy can, can wash. A boy can do everything. So that's how I'm applying to my children as well. Everybody, when I'm in the kitchen, why should you be watching television? Unless I release you, I say it's okay, you have done enough. Go. Come to the kitchen. Even my last born, who is 4 years, he will come to the kitchen, and then we can be sending him, go and bring the salt, go and bring this and that. But so doing, you are teaching them to, love to be in the kitchen, love to cook, so that when they grow up, they can also cook for their wives. Hello. As they work, at times, at times, you leave them. Okay. When they say they are tired, leave them to rest for some time, and then leave them to play small. Then they come back and work. After working, after doing their chores, why not praising them? Why not praise them? Okay, motivate them by praising them. Oh, you have done well. You have done well. You have really done well. Good job. And next time to motivate them to do more. Yes. So why is it so important? Why is it? Is it important to teach your children house chores? Is it so important? Yes. Very, very, very important. So that when they grow up, they can do their own things even before they marry. Okay, so that they can take good care of themselves before they even get married or before they marry. Aside that, it helps them to, to reduce. The family stress. If you, the parents, are doing everything without the children, how can you cope? When you teach them to do, it reduces stress for the parents as well. Okay, and then they learn to be what? Responsible and competent. They will have that confidence in them. Okay, to to move on in life, to lead life, to live well. Yes, by so doing, they learn to, do negotiating or negotiation. They negotiate at times. At times, they will tell my husband and I, please let us eat before we do this. Meanwhile, they know they should do it before they eat. At times, they negotiate, oh, please. After, then we give them time. So after this time, after eating, how many minutes? 10 or 5 or 10 minutes, you go and do your chores. Okay, so they learn how to negotiate. Negotiation. They know how to communicate clearly. Okay, they are learning the skills. Okay, they learn cooperating, cooperation. They cooperate with each other or one another, and then they learn about teamwork. Teamwork. It will help them grow well. So let them start doing. If you have not started, please start. Oh, let them start doing that house chores. It's going to help them in future, and it's going to help you then, the parents as well. And later you'll be very, very proud about them. Finally, all I am saying is that if you have not started allowing your children to do house chores, you better do it, please. Don't pamper them too much. Don't do everything for them. Let them do their own breakfast. Yes, they can do it. The dining table, let them clean it by themselves. So if you let them clean it, next time when they are eating, they will know how to eat well. They will not yucky the table. Basa basa like that. I am urging parents to allow their children to do house chores. As it is said in Proverbs 22, chapter 22, verse 6. Train your children in the way that they should go, so that when they grow up, they will not depart from it. Yes, he will never depart from it. It will become part of him or her. They grow with it, and it to be a plus for you, the parents. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you.